What one should consider when choosing a dentist is obviously a lot of people nowadays, okay, is this so close to my house where I can go for my appointments very easily? Is this doctor is a if you're looking for a doctor who is you're planning to bring your whole family, then you're looking is the doctor a family doctor? And also, what kind of services you are looking for, do they provide those services? So in my city, to find an expert in cosmetic dentistry, I would recommend, look up the dentist name, do a Google search, look, you're going to find their website, you can go through their reviews, look on their website, like what kind of services are they offering? Do they have something exactly you're looking for? Like, for example, if you're looking for like I-1 veneers, so see if they have any services listed on their website. Do they have any patient photos? Normally the doctors would have photos on their gallery, like a photo gallery on their website. They may also have photos on their Google My Business page. So when you look up and you Google that, you might be seeing that. So those are some of the areas. And also one other area could be you may be able to find like a YouTube channel where they have videos or video testimonials for patients. So those are some of the areas where you can look for that. To find an expert in restorative dentistry in Hampton, you want to look up the restorative dentist, put in the Google search, restorative dentist in Hampton, New Hampshire. And you might see a list of doctors, or maybe there's only one doctor that you might see. So, mostly you will see their website. You might also see their Google page. So go into their website, look at that. Again, look into the categories. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a crown. I'm looking for a composite filling, tooth bonding. So go into that, search those areas, look up, read about them. And also you can look at their Google My Business page as well too. Look for some photos, look for maybe their YouTube channel. There could be various channels that you might be able to see. Do your research and see if you like them and give them a call. The best way to schedule an appointment if you're looking for a dentist near me, find that out, look, research for dentists near me. And if you're looking at their reviews and you see like this is the doctor that I'm going to go to, there could be various ways. You can call the office or go to their website. A lot of doctors, they have a make an appointment button on their appointment as well, on their website as well. So you can, if it's a weekend they're not open, you can just go to that, click the appointment button and just fill in your information, and somebody from the office will get back to you as soon as they're back in the office. Or sometimes they have a services where they can get back to you right away. So those could be some of the ways where you can request an appointment. What a restorative dentist is, or restorative dentistry is, compared to the old general, old school dentistry, is where, you're restoring teeth. Means like if somebody has a broken down tooth, you're bringing that tooth to your original shape and form, very similar to that. So a person could have a broken tooth where they might do something called a crown, where they might cover up the whole tooth to restore that tooth to where it was originally at one point in time before it broke down. It also could be a bonding, which is also like composite filling, or a bonding, which could be done as well to restore the shape and form of that tooth. Or, so those are main categories of being a restorative dentist or restorative work. And, many of them, they also fall into a category of general dentistry as well too. We are full service dentistry. We do restorative dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, implants, periodontal procedures, whitening, pretty much everything. Restorative dentistry is that, we are restoring the person's original, similar to the original form and shape of the teeth. So it could be done by doing crowns, by doing veneers. It may also involve that if somebody has lost the tooth entirely, by doing an implant and then putting a crown on the implant so the person sees a tooth in their mouth. And regarding the cosmetic dentistry, if somebody doesn't like the shape of their teeth, they don't like the color of their teeth, so they have options as well. They could be, candidates for doing a crowns, which covers the whole tooth structure, whole the entire tooth. Or they could be candidates for veneers, which like a little shells, mostly in the front of the teeth. And then they also could be, you could do a makeover with the implants, even also with the veneers. And one other thing I would mention is that we can also restore by doing the ortho, which is also called like, realigning your teeth, which could be with old school metal braces or with clear aligners. different kinds of clear aligners. Cosmetic dentistry is when you're basically, you're looking to improve or enhance your smile and your look. So with cosmetic dentistry, it could be somebody might be a candidate for doing crowns, and then you could just brighten up and reshape their teeth and make them look nice and prettier. Or it could be done by doing veneers. So those are the main categories: veneers, or by doing crowns, you're changing the aesthetics and making it more prettier, and cosmetic dentistry comes into that category. Besides the restorative dentistry and cosmetic dentistry, we do also offer orthodontics, which is realigning your teeth. So in our practice, we offer it through clear aligners. The difference between the metal braces and the clear aligners is that clear liners are almost virtually invisible, and especially when you're working age and even teenagers now too, it's just so much more easier for you to take care of those. So a lot of patients actually like that option, that they're able to take those aligners out, they're able to clean their teeth, they're able to do floss, they're able to maintain their hygiene much better compared to the oral metal school braces. So it's a great way of realigning your teeth, and typically the treatment times are shorter as well too. So we do offer orthodontic dentistry as well too in our practice. Besides restorative, cosmetic, orthodontics, we also offer implant dentistry as well too, which means is like if somebody has lost their tooth, to bring that tooth back, so they don't have to have something which is they have to take in and out of their mouth. They want this tooth which is fixed in their jaw basically. So we offer that kind of service as well too, where implant consists of three parts. So the first part is it takes place of the root of your tooth, where the root originally was in your bone. Little titanium post goes in your bone, and that gives us an anchorage basically. And then we put a crown, which patient you will see that in your mouth. So it consists of three parts. The post goes in the bone, then there's a connecting piece, and then crown goes on top. So that could be individual single tooth crown, it could be multiple teeth, it could be a whole mouth, could be fitted with the implant. So we do offer those services as well in our practice. So I hope we have been able to answer most of your questions or all of your questions. And if you have any questions or you're ready to take an action, give us a call. Our office number is 603-926-8827, and we are here to help you get that healthy and beautiful smile.